Temu is currently making waves globally with its exceptionally low prices, generous rewards, and flashy advertising campaigns. The platform has rapidly gained popularity by offering unbeatable prices, often cheaper than Amazon or Wish, and has become the fastest-growing shopping app in the US. But how did Temu achieve such explosive growth? And is there more to their success than meets the eye? The rise of Temu. Many people's first encounter with Temu was through their high-profile Super Bowl ad, which featured the catchy slogan, "Shop like a billionaire." This tagline captured viewers' imaginations, suggesting that Temu could offer luxury and exclusivity at incredibly affordable prices. The ad promoted Temu's unique business model of connecting consumers directly with Chinese factories and distributors. By cutting out the middlemen, Temu claimed it could offer products at significantly lower prices than traditional retailers. The commercial's message was clear. Temu was revolutionizing the shopping experience by making high-quality products accessible to everyone. The ad's visuals, featuring ecstatic customers and sleek, desirable products, reinforced this message, making it seem like shopping on Temu was not just a purchase, but a lifestyle upgrade. However, the simplicity of this pitch raised questions. While the idea of direct factory-to-consumer sales is appealing, it led many to wonder how Temu could sustain such low prices while outcompeting industry giants like Amazon and Wish. The answers to these questions reveal a more complex and potentially troubling picture. One key aspect of Temu's strategy is its ability to leverage massive scale and deep connections within China's manufacturing sector. By sourcing products directly from factories that typically supply other major e-commerce platforms, Temu can negotiate lower prices due to the high volume of orders. This scale gives them a competitive edge, enabling them to offer prices that seem unbeatable. Yet, the transparency of Temu's business practices is a subject of growing concern. Critics argue that while Temu's model cuts costs, it also raises questions about the working conditions in these factories. Reports from other companies operating in similar ways have highlighted issues such as long hours, low wages, and poor working environments. If Temu is using the same factories, it is likely these issues persist behind the scenes. Furthermore, there is speculation about how Temu can afford its aggressive marketing campaigns and generous reward schemes. The costs associated with such strategies are enormous, leading some to question whether Temu's low prices are sustainable in the long term. Some analysts suggest that Temu may be operating at a loss to build its market share rapidly, a strategy that can only last as long as investors are willing to fund it. Another layer of complexity is added by Temu's data practices. To keep prices low and personalize the shopping experience, Temu collects vast amounts of data from its users. This data includes not just purchase history and preferences, but also more invasive data points like location and device information. The extent of this data collection and how it is used or shared with third parties, particularly within the context of Chinese regulations and government oversight, raises significant privacy concerns. Basically, while Temu's Super Bowl ad painted a picture of a revolutionary shopping experience that allows consumers to shop like a billionaire, the reality is far more nuanced. Temu's ability to offer low prices stems from a complex web of high-volume purchasing, aggressive marketing, and extensive data collection. As the company continues to grow and attract scrutiny, it remains to be seen whether its business practices will hold up under closer examination and whether the promised benefits to consumers will outweigh the potential ethical and privacy issues involved. Marketing and endorsements. Temu's aggressive marketing strategy has played a significant role in its rapid growth. One of the most notable examples of their marketing prowess was their Super Bowl commercial, featuring high-profile influencers like Jason Derulo and Juju Smith-Schuster. The ad campaign was an instant success, amassing around 850 million views on YouTube. The commercial had all the classic corporate advert tropes: a young woman as the protagonist, legions of smiling workers and customers, and spontaneous street celebrations of consumerism. This created an image of Temu as an exciting and vibrant brand, enticing millions to download the app. However, Temu didn't stop at just one high-profile commercial. Their marketing strategy extends deeply into the influencer space, where they send products to small and medium-sized influencers for free. These influencers then showcase Temu's products in their content, effectively blurring the lines between paid endorsements and genuine reviews. This tactic creates an illusion of organic popularity and trustworthiness, making potential customers believe that the rave reviews they see are unbiased. This strategy is not unique to Temu. It's a technique that's been successfully employed by other Chinese companies, most notably TikTok. By leveraging influencer marketing, these companies can rapidly gain a foothold in foreign markets. The endorsements from influencers, whether big celebrities or niche content creators, help to build credibility and drive user engagement. For Temu, this approach has been particularly effective. The widespread visibility from influencer promotions, coupled with their attractive offers and gamified shopping experience, has enabled them to build a substantial user base quickly. This aggressive and multifaceted marketing strategy has been a cornerstone of Temu's explosive growth, helping them to compete with and even surpass established giants like Amazon and Wish in certain aspects. Despite the apparent success, there are concerns regarding the sustainability and ethics of such marketing practices. The blurred lines between genuine reviews and paid promotions can mislead consumers, and the aggressive push to gain market share raises questions about the long-term viability of their business model. Nonetheless, Temu's marketing blitzkrieg has undeniably reshaped the landscape of online shopping, setting new standards for how e-commerce platforms can leverage influencer marketing to achieve rapid growth. Gamification and referral schemes. To further drive engagement, Temu employs gamification tactics within their app. Users can play mobile games to win free items, a method reminiscent of popular social games like Farmville. These games encourage frequent app usage, increasing the likelihood of purchases. Additionally, Temu's pyramid-like referral scheme rewards users with credits for getting friends to sign up, transforming social connections into marketing tools. Temu's parent company, Pinduoduo. Understanding Temu's business model requires looking at its parent company, Pinduoduo, PDD Holdings, which has been hugely successful in China. Pinduoduo's rapid growth came at the cost of severe worker exploitation and questionable business practices. Reports indicate intense overcrowding in their offices, extreme working hours, and even tragic incidents related to overwork. The extreme working conditions at Pinduoduo have included the infamous 996 work schedule, working from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m., 6 days a week. In some cases, employees were reportedly working up to 380 hours per month, leaving them exhausted and prone to health issues. These grueling hours led to several tragic incidents, including the death of a 22-year-old employee after a long shift and the suicide of another worker. Such stories highlight the severe toll that Pinduoduo's relentless drive for growth has taken on its workforce. Additionally, the company faced backlash after firing an employee who spoke out against the harsh working conditions, citing that the individual made extreme comments with obvious malice. This response, combined with a dismissive statement from upper management suggesting that exchanging one's life for money is a common practice, underscores the ruthless and exploitative nature of Pinduoduo's work environment. Despite these troubling practices, Pinduoduo has managed to expand rapidly, leveraging aggressive marketing and deep connections within China's manufacturing sector to offer incredibly low prices. This same approach is now being employed by Temu in its bid to conquer the global market. While Temu's flashy advertising and unbeatable prices attract consumers, the underlying issues of worker exploitation and questionable ethics remain a significant concern. Data privacy concerns. Pinduoduo's approach to data privacy is equally troubling. Investigations have revealed that their app not only collects standard data like location and shopping habits, but also exploits vulnerabilities in the Android operating system to access private messages, notifications, and other sensitive information. This invasive data collection goes far beyond what is typical for most apps and raises serious privacy concerns. The collected data is likely shared with the Chinese government, given China's regulations that require tech companies to cooperate with state authorities. This relationship means that users' personal information, including their activities on other apps and even their private communications, could be accessible to the Chinese government. This level of data access and potential misuse is alarming and poses significant risks to user privacy and security. Although Temu hasn't been directly implicated in such severe data privacy violations yet, there are already anecdotal reports suggesting that users experience an increase in spam emails shortly after signing up for the app. This could indicate that Temu is sharing user email addresses with third parties for marketing purposes, a practice that further compromises user privacy. As Temu continues to grow and expand its user base, the potential for similar data privacy issues to arise remains a significant concern. These privacy concerns, combined with Temu's aggressive marketing strategies and deep discounts, paint a picture of a company willing to push ethical boundaries to achieve rapid growth. As consumers, it is crucial to be aware of these practices and consider the broader implications of using such platforms. Challenges and criticisms. Despite its rapid success, Temu faces numerous challenges that could impact its long-term sustainability. One significant issue is customer service. Many customers have reported difficulties in reaching customer support, long response times, and unsatisfactory resolutions to their problems. This has led to a growing number of complaints and negative reviews online, which could damage the company's reputation if not addressed promptly. Delivery problems are another major concern. Customers have frequently reported delays in receiving their orders, incorrect items being shipped, and packages that never arrive at all. These issues have fueled frustration and distrust among consumers, leading to a high volume of complaints with consumer protection agencies and online review platforms. In addition to logistical and customer service challenges, Temu has also been accused of selling counterfeit and substandard products. The Better Business Bureau, BBB, has given Temu a C- rating, citing issues such as copyright infringement and false advertising. Many customers have reported receiving items that are significantly different from what was advertised, with some products being of poor quality or even non-functional. Concerns about product safety have also been raised. Investigations have found that some of Temu's products contain harmful chemicals, such as lead and other toxic heavy metals. These substances can pose serious health risks to consumers, particularly if they are present in items intended for children or products that come into direct contact with the skin. The presence of these harmful chemicals has led to calls for stricter regulation and oversight of the products sold on Temu's platform. Despite these challenges, Temu continues to attract customers with its low prices and extensive product range. However, to ensure long-term success and maintain consumer trust, the company will need to address these issues comprehensively. This includes improving customer service, ensuring timely and accurate deliveries, and implementing rigorous quality control measures to prevent the sale of counterfeit and unsafe products. By addressing these concerns, Temu can build a more sustainable business model and foster greater consumer confidence in its brand. The bigger picture. Temu's model of selling cheap, disposable goods has significant environmental and ethical implications. The company's success hinges on exploiting cheap labor and producing low-quality products that contribute to environmental waste. Moreover, their use of modern marketing tactics and data harvesting presents a concerning picture of the future of e-commerce. In conclusion, while Temu's innovative approach to connecting consumers directly with manufacturers has disrupted the market, it raises serious questions about sustainability, ethics, and consumer privacy. As Temu continues to expand, it remains to be seen how they will address these issues and whether they can maintain their growth without resorting to increasingly controversial practices.